Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel and today I will show you how to delay clicks on Vivo V23. In the first step, we must go to the setting and now scroll down to shortcuts accessibility. Now, the last thing, accessibility, and there we are going to timing control. There we have touch and hold delay, and we can choose short, medium or long. I choose long, and it can help us when we touch the screen by chance, and until the strong push it won't open anything. You see, I push but it didn't open it, but when I change for a short, I click and something like that. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!